Yo, I'm on the Jimmy Fallon show. Yo, I'm on the freaking Jimmy Fallon show. Yo, I'm gonna blow this up on my social media.
Listen,
I'm gonna blow this up on Instagram.
Listen,
I want to what?
Just don't tell him it's the Jimmy Falcon show, man.
I'm gonna blow up the Jimmy Fallon. I totally destroyed this episode, man. I call you Jimmy Falcon as Jimmy Fallon. Oh my god,
it's incredible. That's so cool. Let me look at some other things here. Let's see here. We talked about your website. You talked about you don't really do astrology though. That's not your thing.
I'm not into astrology now.
Is it not real? Is it because it's not real or what?
Well, I won't say it's not. It's considered soft science. Astronomy, yeah, not astrology, because astrology is based on a lot of predictions. My area is like linguistics. I like linguistics because if you study humor or comedy, comedy is really predicated, the fundamentals.
But my contention here is a premise is this: a previous statement or proposition in which another is inferred. A premise as a verb, because a premise is an ambiguous word. It is a noun and a verb. The verb is a subset, or the secondary meaning, the subset.